Early years education and practice with practitioner status at the University of South Wales is a degree that enables students to learn about the theory and practical implications of working with children. It focuses on play pedagogy and how the curriculum is implemented for young children. Students do have quite an extensive practice element where they complete a portfolio which has links to the Social Care Wales competencies. I think it's really important that students have the opportunity to work in placement because it really enables them to link that theory and practice. They are able to embed the skills they've learned in university in a practical setting. They gain experience from other practitioners, get to see people's role modelling of their early years practice, and most importantly, they get to work with young children, which is really, really important. So the facilities in the university, we have an early years classroom which is simulated to replicate an early years setting. So it has a reading corner, lots of bright toys, it has tough trays which are receptacles for enabling play-based provision. So after completing this degree, students can go on to do a PGCE. However, they may be a higher teaching assistant, work in a day nursery as a manager, they may work in a flying start setting, or alternative educational pathways such as Mega Marsh, where they could be an educational consultant.